Metal. Hey everybody, good day. It's Todd from Toji Racing. I hope everybody's doing well. It is midweek here at the racetrack workshop, however you want to phrase it. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the Corvette C8R pace car I mentioned that my friend Mike picked up. It's a pretty dang cool car. We have seen it on the track already. It's pretty badass. Here she blows right here. Very nice. Let's get this out of the box here. We went ahead and got her opened easy so we can get at it. All right, we're gonna get her up on the display stand here. Right. Sorry about my finger. All right, check this bad boy out. She is just murdered out black. The only real thing you can see is like the Carrera name on the wheels. I'm not sure if that's a gas cap or not because it's on both sides. Maybe it has two tanks. I don't know enough about the car to actually tell you that. As you can see, it's got some nice antennae there and your safety lights. You can see the motor through the back window there, which is super cool. Nice details, nice details. Rear end looks good. It's got your rear air dams there. Of course, the exhaust and what have you. Here's the other side. As you can see, it's pretty much identical. Has that silver cap there. And of course, the white tires. And on your front, sorry about the glare here. There we go. That's a little better. You get your Corvette logo there. And you can see a little bit of detail in there, but not a lot on your cockpit. The driver's all in black too. He's really hard to see through the camera, I know. Sorry about that, but there you go. And there's the bottom, if anybody wants to see the bottom, of course. All right, hey, let's put this bad boy on the track. It's an actual red stoplight. I wish I had the other two, but the red's pretty good. Gives it a nice glow in here. All right. All right, I already have this bad boy keyed in. So let's get a close look here at them lights going off. The safety lights are super cool. Oh, here's those flags I was talking about. Got my little start area. Anyway, she looks really good. Let's do her bounce around the track. She runs really good. This is just out of the box, not tuned. No silicone tires. That's at power level 4, brake level 4. Anyway, yeah, very nice, very nice. So that's all for today's video. We'll do a tuning of that, might do a short little video of that. Anyway, everybody have a good day. Race on.